Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the description of Dhatura flower from the family Solanaceae. So this is the structure of Dhatura flower and it is look like that. Now children, talking about the structures, so there are different type of flowers in our surrounding. The appearance of these flowers are different from each other, but the structure of all the flowers are similar. So as you see in the picture, there are different type of flowers, different color, different appearance. But if you look closely, all the flowers, the structure of the flowers are similar. All flowers have colorful petals, sepals, every part of the flowers are similar. So children, we select Dhatura flower from the family Solanaceae. Here is a Dhatura flower to study the structure of flower. Cut the Dhatura flower for dissection. Flower has a stalk-like structure called pedicel. The upper swollen part of pedicel is called thalamus. Flowers part are arranged on that thalamus. Usually there are 4 parts in flower. These are calyx, corolla, enterochium and the gynoecium. These 4 parts are arranged on thalamus as whorl. So children, this is calyx. This is the outermost whorl of a flower. Now the next one is corolla. So this is corolla, the second whorl of a flower. This is enterochium, the third whorl of a flower. And children, this is the gynoecium, the fourth whorl of a flower. So it is look like that. Now this is dissected image of Dhatura flower. Here we observe all the parts of flower like pedicel, thalamus, calyx, corolla, enterochium and gynoecium. And children, this is the calyx, the first whorl of flower. It is green whorl. It has 5 sepals, give protection to the inner part. Now this is corolla, the second whorl of a flower. It is white in color. It has 5 petals and attract insect for cross-pollination. Children, this is enterochium, the third whorl of flower. It has 5 stamen. Each stamen has long filament and a sac-like structure called anther. Anther produces pollen grain. Pollen grains are the male gametes. Hence, enterochium is the male reproductive part of a flower. Here we are observing anther under the microscope. Several thousands of pollen grain are present on the anther. Take some pollen grain on the glass slide for observing under the microscope. These are the pollen grains, male gametes of the plant under the microscope. Now this is gynoecium, fourth whorl of a flower. It is single. It has 3 parts: ovary, style and stigma. Ovary produces ova. Ova are the female gametes. Hence gynoecium is the female reproductive part. Now we are observing a stigma under microscope. Children, this is the longitudinal section of ovary to observe under microscope. So this is longitudinal section, that is LS of ovary under the microscope. So these are ova, female gametes of plant. And children, now this is the TS of ovary, transverse section of ovary, and again there are ova. So these are the ova. Now this is floral formula and floral diagram for Dhatura flower, and this is the complete description of the flower with the diagram and the formula. Children, you have to write this practical in your lab manual with these diagrams and with all the description of Dhatura plant. So in the next video we will discuss about further practicals. Till then, have a good day, have a nice day, and thank you.